New apartment, who is this? So when you first come in, you see the living and kitchen area. It's open plan, so everything is basically all in one room. I have a dishwasher because that was a must on my list, and to the left of the kitchen is the utility cupboard, which just has like the washer dryer machine, and then all that important stuff like the water thingy or whatever. That's where my Wi-Fi goes as well. Next we have my office. I actually got a 2-bed 2-bath because I wanted a bedroom and a home office. So this is what my office space looks like. And then we have the main bathroom, which has a bathtub and a shower. And I love the heated towel racks. It gives hotel. Next room is my bedroom. I love the lighting in my bedroom. It is smaller than my last bedroom. However, I have an ensuite now, so I'm not complaining. One thing I do not understand is why the shower is on this ceiling. How am I meant to shower without wetting my hair? But anyway, I decided to come to my apartment a day before I moved in my stuff so that I could wipe everything down. It's a new apartment, so nobody's lived here before. However, I still wanted to make sure I used some anti-bac wipes because, you know, builders could have been in and out of here. I don't know what was in here, but I wanted to clean it. Fun fact, I do not derive pleasure or joy from cleaning. So my mum was actually here helping me. She did quite a bit, so I only really did the kitchen so that I could film it. But yeah, I'll be back when I'm doing something different. I'm gonna keep that in. Safety bar, a must. This is day 2 progress though. I broke down my boxes. I've been putting them over here. I left my big mirror here for now because I honestly don't know where I'm gonna put it. I think when everything's empty then I can sort it out. And then my kitchen is all good. I also got this. This was so cheap. This was like £1.70. I need to wash this stuff. Oh, and I went to get my nails done as well. I also went to Apple. I got AirPods Pro. I got AirTag. I want to put this on my house keys. This is the new one as well, I think. Yay. Now I just need to put the cover on and put it on my keys. And I also need to get something for toilet paper. I want to get something that can like slide here, so I'll see. It's bedtime. I will see you guys tomorrow. I want to unwrap my sofa. I want to put down my rug, make some headway with the boxes in my office because my desk is supposed to come soon, so I want to sort all of this out. I've already started emptying stuff, but there's still quite a bit to go. But I did get an Amazon parcel, so we can open that together. Alright, looks good. This is so cute. It's currently 2 in the morning, but I figured I'd give you guys an update and end the vlog because I'm actually making some big updates next week. So I managed to unbox a lot of the boxes. I did the sofa as planned. I rolled out my rug and everything. I started breaking down boxes because I do want to keep some of them because I probably will be moving again eventually. I also installed like a motion sensor light here. Oh, I made major headway in my office. I actually managed to unpack most of the boxes. Everything that's left down here I don't need immediately, or I'm going to be using for my office makeover, so there's no point taking it out. I did put some bits and bobs inside the bookcase and there's stuff inside of it as well. It's not organized at all. I more just prioritize putting stuff away. I'm ending the vlog here because tomorrow my desk is gonna go up. The legs were delivered and the tabletop is coming later today. I'm adding a kitchen island, which you can see I framed out. If you have ideas of what I could put up here, what I could put on the walls, let me know because I haven't got a clue what I want to do.